lot of people, though, are enjoying time out at restaurants and bars and patios, and maybe they're having 1, 2, maybe 3 or more glasses to celebrate.
They sure are. We've been really hoisting a pint or two since the restrictions have lifted. Stats Canada came in with their March booze sale numbers today, Cynthia, and bar sales up 23%.
23? Wow. Okay.
We were busy having a tipple or two, Cynthia. More than $6 billion spent on alcohol out of the house in the month of March. All the provinces saw an uptick. Here in Ontario, saying it was a 10.5% gain for bar sales. Manitoba, by the way, had the biggest gain. Stats Canada also said that sales rose by 11% at restaurants. Of course, we were eager to eat out again, but at the same time, prices are higher. The average menu costs at restaurants up 5.4%. That's where you see the inflation started to come in,
Interesting,
Cynthia.
definitely. So some industries are seeing an increase, but others, though, are now seeing a decrease.
The economic growth situation is a major concern. We found out today that Canada, the economy here, grew by 3.1% through the first 3 months of the year. Growth is good, right? But that's slower growth than what we were seeing. The economy grew 6.6% in the 3 months prior to that. So the growth kind of cut in half, Cynthia. There is a lot of recession talk right now. Economists worry that rising inflation, rising interest rates, and the war in Ukraine could cause some negative economic growth, a contraction. Luckily, we're not seeing that yet, but it's certainly something economists are looking out for. Cynthia.
Interesting, and we are hearing that interest rates for homeowners will go up tomorrow. We're hearing that as well.
Tomorrow, election eve in Ontario, the Bank of Canada widely expected to hike interest rates by another 0.5%, meaning your variable rate mortgage will, as of tomorrow night, cost you more. Want to mention real quick, too, what happened on the markets today, Cynthia. More red ink with that big inflation worry continuing to hang over equity markets. It was kind of a flat month of May. They rang the bell at the New York Stock Exchange tonight, and the Dow, the S&P, the NASDAQ were all lower. Depends on who you listen to, but some market experts are thinking we could see another 30% retreat for stocks. We'll end on gas prices, Cynthia. They have been a big concern and big fodder on the election campaign.
Definitely.
No change tonight with the price of oil spiking. However, looks like we could see a 2-cent increase for gasoline prices on Thursday morning.
Ouch. All right, Richard, lots of extra costs piling up for Ontario residents. Thank you very much, and we will see you on election night.
Look forward to it.
Okay. Richard Southern.